Hello, good morning mga ka-Berks. This is day 2.
Magkano yung
So,
sa card?
welcome to my vlog, Caridas FT. So, let's go out and check the other place. Stay tuned. Let's go mga ka-Berks. Hello mga ka-Berks. So, balik ulit tayo. So, after we did the breakfast, gonna find out or check it out the other places. Tulad na sinabi ko kahapon. So, this is a day 2. So, we're gonna explore the places. So, stay tuned mga ka-Berks. And nagugutom na yung mga ka-Berks natin. So, gagawin natin mag-aanap tayo ng kakainan. Okay, stay tuned. So, hello mga ka-Berks. Ito na. Bumalik tayo ulit sa Observatory Lounge. So, they have a breakfast here. They serve a breakfast. Lagay dyan, face wash. And as you can see, the view right there. So, we are on the side of the boat. See, we're moving. We have a good view here, a viewpoint. So let's check it out their breakfast. This is where you can get your breakfast here. There's plenty of optional. There's a fence inside here. Okay, this is what I have today. There you go, ka-Berks. Alright. Stay tuned. So mga ka-Berks, ito uli breakfast na naman natin. Pangalawang breakfast na tayo. Scrambled egg, meron tayong omelette, meron tayong sausage, bacon, meron tayong potato, and ham. So let's get started. So ito mga ka-Berks, ito naman ang Taste of India. Meron tayong, hindi ko maalala nung nag-abroad ako kung ito yung porota. Meron tayong tomato sauce and then hindi ko alam kung ano yung isa. So let's taste it mga ka-Berks. Ito tinapay nila Kinamay ko na mga ka-Berks. Sausaw natin sa tomato. Bang ito nga yung porota. Sarap mga ka-Berks. Isa pa nga. Yan may tomato siya. Kaya naman natin ito isang bread nila. Sausaw naman natin sa parang sauce na green. Yan. Ito merong isang taga-India na sumasando. Meron siyang kine-educate na isang guy doon. Sabi niya, ito raw po yung sausawan para dito. Wow. Tapos ito naman daw, tomato. Wow. Pero thumbs up ako mga ka-Berks. Okay siya. Try nyo rin to pagka nag-cruise kayo. Taste of India. Okay. Stay tuned mga ka-Berks. So this is yung racing nila. Racing car sa loob. And sa loob ng ship. And then sa taas pa mga kaberks. Yan. See. Ayan o. Saan ka naman nakakita niyan ha? May pool, may racing car, may karaoke. May video karaoke din dito mga kaberks. Yan o. Blaze Speedway. See? There you go. And nasa rear tayo ng ship. They call it aft. And then there's a mini golf. So there you go. Ito na yung pinakamataas na level ng barko mga kaberks. So there's a mini golf here. There you go. Mini golf.
Okay. Let's go. What's your name?
Jonathan,
Jonathan from here. Where?
San Francisco, California.
Woo! Yeah, from San Francisco. So you're very close by. When you get back to LA, it's like very close. Very close. How close is it?
5 hours.
5 hours. Are you doing that by car? Yeah, good job. Alright, who's traveling with you?
My wife, Sarah.
Your wife. She's lovely. Do you have any children?
4.
4 children.
4 dogs.
Oh! I love that. I do have 2 dogs and my children. What are their names?
Jamie, Teddy, Coco, and Brandon.
Well, they must be using you guys a lot.
We're alcoholics.
They're alcoholic.
We're alcoholics.
Are you guys?
Jameson, Edison, Brandy,
Oh!
That's the name of the dogs.
So you must be enjoying the time on the cruise.
Oh yeah.
Ay, ay, ay! Oh yeah. I don't know yes or yeah or not or don't or yes.
You said yes or no? You said yes.
No, like okay, all the options. Sorry about that. But you did great.
So ito mga ka-Berks, try naman natin itong Savor Restaurant. Savor pala. Savor. So mga ka-Berks, ito na, dumating na yung soup natin. Hinintay pa natin yung main course, so magbasa muna tayo ng quotes for today. And quotes for today: if you don't like something, change it. If you cannot change it, change your attitude. Yan. So sino po ang may owner ng quotes na yan? At syempre, ang ka-upload nito is sagutin nyo na kung sino may owner ng quotes na yan. Mapapayo ko lang po, ang opinion ko dyan is may lemon po yung tubig. Kahit anong mangyari, gumawa tayo ng paraan. So, yun na nga, yung sinasabi, kailangan baguhin natin. Baka kasi merong, alam mo na, merong problema sa atin din. So, kaya kailangan try natin i-figure out. Okay, so ito, soup muna. They call it, what they call this soup?
Wedding.
Yeah, it's a wedding soup. Yeah. Italian wedding soup. Napakasarap mga ka-Berks. Parang may malunggay, oh. Ayan, oh. Pero yung darling natin dito, kumuha naman siya ng cream of mushroom soup. Ayan. Napakasarap po. Fine dining po ito, mga ka-Berks. Ayan. Napakasarap. Parehas po, masarap talaga lahat, mga ka-Berks. So, stay tuned. Hintay lang natin yung in-order natin. So, ito na mga ka-Berks, dumating na ang ating main dish. This is what you call the beef moussaka, St. Louis pork barbecue. Ito naman yung spaghetti carbonara. Ayan. So, kakain na tayo. So, watch out. Siyempre, normal procedure. First taste is para sa inyo. Okay. Ito na mga ka-Berks, yung flan. What do you call this one? Flan de coco. Yeah. And then this is the tiramisu. Yeah. There you go. This one is flan de coco. So let's try it. Start from here. Thank you. So good.